Hello guys, and welcome back to Doc Mac Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your Mercedes gearbox using a very simple method that you could do at home for free. Now, why do you need to reset the gearbox? Sometimes your Mercedes may have some software issues which may then trigger gearbox issues as well. It may manifest as gearbox issues. So this is how you can actually reset your transmission for free. Okay, take your key, put it into position number 2, 1, 2. So this is how it should look. And then what are you going to do next? Make sure all of the windows are up, and you're going to take your foot and you're going to press the accelerator down all the way, push it down all the way until you hit the kick down switch, and you're going to do that for about 15 seconds. And remember, the engine is not running, and you're just pushing it down all the way with your foot. Okay, now that 15 seconds is up, you're still going to hold it down, and the only thing you're going to do different is you're going to put the key back to position 0, so it's all the way to the left, and you're going to hold it for the next 15 seconds. Okay, now that 15 seconds is up, you're going to take your foot off the accelerator, and you're going to keep the key in that position, again, position 0, for the next 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, this should confirm the reset of your gearbox. Now, it will not confirm anything for you, but it will do that process within the next 2 minutes. Do not open your door or anything like that. Now, after this has been done, you can take the key out, pull the key out. There you go, that's the key. And then you just need to open your door, close your door, and you're done. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. It's completely free to subscribe, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one.